Welcome to my LTEC 5510 Canvas course overview. The name of my course is 5th grade Fraction Operations with Uncommon Denominators, and I created this course to help teachers instruct students on fraction operations. That includes how to add and subtract fractions, how to multiply fractions, and how to divide fractions, according to the state of Texas TEKS and curriculum. Another problem that I created my course to solve is the different pacing of instruction that students receive in the regular classroom. This may cause frustration to students for different reasons. Students that are used to working at faster paces or themselves, just that's how they learn at a faster rate, often get frustrated because they have to wait for their peers to finish one task before the teacher is going to go on and explain what they need to do next. And this often causes frustration and for those students that do work faster. Similarly, the students that work at a slower pace or maybe need more support from their teacher to understand the content will get frustrated with the students that are working faster, making them feel like something may be wrong because they can't understand the content as fast as their peers. The online course format allows students to work at their own pace and allows the teacher to provide differentiated instruction when it is needed. So far for my course, I have created the introduction page or the home page, and I do plan on adding headings or subheadings into this section to make the information easier to read. Then what is next is I've created the modules. There are daily modules that do encompass the entire time span of the course, which is about 36 days, about a month. The course information starts with the goals and objectives, meeting information, and the grading rubrics. And then a daily module looks like module 1.1, which is day 1, and you have the introduction, day 1 Zoom direct instruction, the problem-solving question of the day, the daily activity, and then finally the discussion and reflection question. The goals and objectives, there are 6 goals, and each goal does come with an objective that the learner will do or complete in order to meet their goals. The meeting information can also be found in the course information section, which is going to be through Zoom. Here the learner can find which days we're going to be meeting once the course begins. They will have access to the class link and how to sign up. The learner also has the rubrics that are going to be used to grade each of the activities, the discussions, and the problem-solving mats, so that they know how they're going to be graded and what their expectations are. Each daily module has an instruction page that goes over the goals and objectives that they are going to be working on, and the different learning tasks that they're going to need to complete are also going to be listed. Once again, here's the Zoom instruction, and this is only going to be on some of them because it's not going to be needed every single day. Here's an example of the activity page. This is module 1.1, the activity that they're going to be completing, and then the rubric is also attached and found here. Finally, you have the discussion reflection that is going to be at the end of each day, and this is usually going to be a question related to what they learned about or talked about that day, and they are also going to be expected to respond to at least one of their classmates. At the end of each module, they are going to be given the module evaluation, which lets them reflect on whether or not or how they felt the goals and the objectives of the module were met through a survey. And then throughout the module or throughout the course, they are going to have assessments that they are going to have to complete and then upload to the assignment Dropbox. Right now, I am going to be working on making any revisions based on feedback that I receive. I am also going to be adding more visual content to make the course more appealing for learners since they are younger ages, adding more details as well as a discussion help section so that students can go in and ask questions.